Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your PC meets the app's minimum specs. This prevents errors later. Once done, free at least 5 to 10 GB and enable virtualization if the installer asks for it. Next, create or sign into the distribution platform account because licenses and downloads tie to your profile. Make sure your OS is up to date, then download the installer. You're now ready to run the installer. Proceed when the file finishes downloading. You run the installer as administrator. Doing so prevents permission errors during setup. When prompted, choose Custom Install to control the install path and any optional components. That avoids unnecessary extras. Once installed, launch the app and open Settings. Set your resolution, graphics preset, and toggle VSync based on performance. Also map controls and calibrate input so motion feels natural. These configuration choices, you finish by applying any remaining updates and verifying game files through the platform to catch corrupted downloads. If you face low frame rates, lower the graphics preset or update GPU drivers. These actions often fix performance problems. If crashes continue, inspect the log files for error codes. Once identified, search community threads or contact support and attach those logs. Remember to restart your PC after major changes. It often resolves residual resource locks and completes driver installs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.